Hello family, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela, and here on this lovely channel, I create beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, in particular for the woman over 40. Today's video though is for every woman, whether you're 14, 40, or 104. Today's video is all about the Walmart deal sale. So I am partnered with Walmart to show you 25 of my favorite picks from the sale. It starts on October the 7th and ends on the 12th. If you are a Walmart Plus member, you get to shop a little bit early. You get to shop on October the 6th. Now, all these items can be found on walmart.com. You can also shop in store, but there are so many great deals, you can only get most of them online. So that is my recommendation. So if you like to see 25 of my favorite picks from the sale, then stay tuned now. Let's get started. Before I get started, just so you know I always do a lot of fashion content, but surprise, surprise, most of the items that are on my list are home items. I just think you just cannot beat these deals. So the first item is an air fryer, and it is the Blue Bowl air fryer. It was originally $119. It is on sale for $45.99. Lord knows if I didn't have an air fryer right now, I would definitely get one. I'm never ever gonna be without an air fryer again. I rarely turn my oven on, rarely. I cook almost everything either on top of the stove or in the air fryer, and I am loving it. The next few items are from the Drew Barrymore line of home products. The first one is the Black Sesame Blender. It was $74.56. It's on sale for $51.88. That is a 30% discount, and I'm here for it. The next item is the Drew Barrymore Dutch oven. I love a Dutch oven. I just love putting my chicken and my spices and everything in there, my rosemary that I grow in the garden, and put them in there and put them in the oven and let that cook, and you just smell the aroma of the food just wafting everywhere in the house. It is enamel coated, so it was originally $74. Now it's on sale for $43.97 at a 41% discount. Next on the list is from her line as well. It is a 14-cup programmable drip coffee maker. It was originally $69. It is on sale for $42.97, and that is at a 38% discount. Some of the items I may not have the discount percent, but if I do, I will let you know. The next item on the list is an electric kettle. Now, I never knew how much I would need a kettle until I moved to the Middle East and started using one. That's another item that I am never gonna be without. You won't even know how much you need hot water until you start using a kettle a lot. So hers was $47.88. It is on sale for $35.70 at a 25% discount. The next item on the list is her electric skillet. It was originally $59, but now is on sale for $33.78, giving you a 43% discount. Next on the list is an immersion blender. Listen, I've been wanting one of these ever since I started watching all those cooking shows when they make the soups and they cook all the stuff. Then they put it like a tomato soup and they cook the tomatoes and the onions and the garlic and the stuff, and they put the immersion blender in there and blend it really well to make a really nice smooth tomato soup. This is one of the items that I'm definitely purchasing. And it is by Link Chef. It was originally $68.88. It is on sale for $25.99. And it comes with some additional attachments. It comes with a food chopper, it comes with a milk frother, and it comes with a whisk in the basket. The next item on the list is another item that is in our basket that we will be getting, and it is a weight plate set. It was originally $399. It is on sale for $79.99. If you have been thinking about getting in shape, doing a little bit of weightlifting, because women, listen, we need to do weightlifting as well, keep our bones strong. Now is a great time to get you a weight set. This is fantastic. Next item on the list is a 3-pack socket fan light. I love this. I like this for closets. So you can just unscrew your light bulb and then you screw this in the same socket that the light bulb came out of, and it has a remote. So it has a light and a small little fan. I think this is wonderful for small spaces, like in a hallway or something like that. So they were originally $119. They're on sale for $39.96. So the next item is great for a person who may be doing a little bit of remodeling, or you think maybe I need to refresh the lighting in my bathroom, something a little more modern, a little more fresh. And it is the AVEC Farmhouse 3 Light Matte 2-pack. So you get 2 in a pack for 2 different bathrooms. It was originally $105.97. Now it's on sale for $45.97 at a 48% discount. The next item on the list is also in my basket, and this is for my husband who works out in the garage a lot. He tinkers all the time, and also it's great for if a person that is a content creator, if you're doing a lot of fashion content, you need a little spotlight or some backlighting. These are fantastic, and they are rechargeable. It is the 2-pack folding light stand. They are originally $55.94. They're on sale for $27.97. That is 50% off the original price. I should get 4 instead of 2. Next on the list is an HP computer. HP is my favorite computer. I use that and that only for years. And it is the HP desktop computer. It was originally $879.99. It is on sale for $699.99. The next item on the list is a luggage set. I don't know about you, but we run through luggage in this house all the time. This 6-piece set was originally $599. Now it's on sale for $109. The next item, if I didn't have 3 already, it would be in my cart because I'm always cold, and it is an electric blanket. It was $51.99. It's now on sale for $29. I love electric blankets because I hate being cold, but I like the room cool when I sleep. So I like to have extra covers on my bed, and the electric blanket is perfect. And I like to also have them for guests when they come and stay the night as well. The next item on the list shows up on my Christmas list every year. And I'll talk about this. If you watch my Christmas list, you're gonna know exactly what you're gonna be like, yep, she talks about these every year. Everybody should have one in their car. And it is a battery jumper cable pack. I think every person, especially us women, should have these in our cars. Hopefully we never use them, but you can also charge your phone in them. So if you don't use them for jumping a car, your battery goes dead on your phone. You can charge your phone in the battery pack as well. It was $119. It's on sale for $35.49. The next item on the list, it comes highly recommended. We have one of these in our house, especially if you have pets and you need to clean a little bit more often or clean the floor a little bit more often. It is the Roborock robot vacuum. It was originally $749. It's on sale for $519.99. The next item on the list is, I have several of these. Actually, we have more than several. My husband has these in the garage. He has all of his items on these metal shelves in the garage, and I have a couple in my office, and I put my plants and stuff on them and my supplies and stuff on them as well. And it is a wire shelving. This is a 4-shelf wire shelving, and it was $109. It's on sale for $37.99. Next item is for those of you who like to entertain a lot. I don't entertain a lot at my house, but if you like to entertain or you love karaoke, now is a great time to get this karaoke machine. It was originally $259.99. It is on sale for $69.99. And it comes with 2 wireless microphones. This is a great deal. This will make a perfect Christmas present. Now I have just a few clothing items. This is so not like my regular videos. The first is the Madden Girl regular and wide calf boot. It was originally $89. Now it's on sale for $59.99, giving you 33% off the original price. Next item is the Madden Girl slip-on peep toe sandal. It was originally $34. Now it's on sale for $20 at a 41% discount. The next item, I have a couple of pair of these in my basket as well, and they are the free assembly basket weave flats. These flats look so expensive. They were originally $32. They're on sale for $20 at a 38% discount. And the last item on my list is the Madden slide-on clog. It's the closed-toe clog. And I think these look cute. They have several different versions. I saw the cheetah print, and I saw the black with the little silver knots on it, and then they had some solid colors as well. They were originally $30, and they're on sale for $19.99, giving you a 33% discount. Well, that's it, family. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'd like to thank Walmart for partnering with me again. Don't forget, I will leave links in the description box and the very first pinned comment. Now, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on Thursday. So I hope you have an amazing day and a great week. Bye-bye.